Morning folks, Chris in Arena Studio. Just a little update. It's the 15th of January 2018 and I'm going to be putting regular videos on for you where you can follow my progress with some of my ropey guitar playing and hopefully some of my better guitar playing bits as well. Today, obviously I can't put every little thing that I do on in the studio, otherwise I'd just spend my time stuck in front of a camera and get nothing done. I've basically got from 12 o'clock today right through till 9 PM loads of tuition. Obviously on this Monday, so the first thing that I've got to do is get my intense practice in, and I'm still working on these fingers 3 and 4. If you've ever watched the series that was putting on training my pinkies part 1 up to about 6, then this is probably 3 or 4 months down the line, and I'm just about to fire up the metronome and I'm going to get stuck in and I'll show you the exercise, what I've been doing afterwards, and then hopefully I'll try and apply it over a bit of a track for you. So keep watching the video and it should be hopefully worth your while. See you in a little while. A little practice, working on these fingers 3 and 4 again. This is basically what I've been playing today. It's been a... I'll slow it right down. I'm not looking at breaking any speed records. Been practicing at this tempo. Oops. Okay, now I'm going to put a little backing track on and have a little wheedle over the top and see what happens. Sloppy. Overbent. Better. Little bit of a wheedle for you. A little bit sloppy in parts, but again, it's starting to move forward, which is what I'm after. It's not all about the bass. It's all about progress. See you soon with another little video vlog on my regular updates on guitar playing and bits and bobs going on in the studio. Alright, catch you later.